Alright, so I'm now sitting by the waterfall here. We've been going for a couple hours. This place is beautiful. Check this out. So yeah, this is probably my favorite spot that I've seen so far. We had to come down this really rough trail. I'm talking like mud, clay, rocks. It was pretty treacherous, but it was so much fun. But yeah, I'm sitting on this bridge here, but you can see here. There's Josh. As you can see, and yeah, we're just hanging out. It's a good spot. So, anyways, let me give you guys one more shot of this. All right, it's Atticus. See you guys. This has been a good day.